Oh, another game. Hello everyone, Jeltus here. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Millennium Mania Season 2. This week we got Maze by Paul Falstad. Now, I remember playing this game back in 2010s, but I don't know why it came out back in 1990. Oh, we're playing a game from way before 1999. That's pretty good, interesting. I mean, a Millennium Era is like a very popular generation, but hey, it's Millennium Mania. It's gotta be great. Now, I gotta make sure to check my CPU in just in case, if I don't get in any bunch of trouble. Now, things are getting good to go, but I'll keep it a good reminder for this one. Anyway, with being said, we're gonna choose something, and it's not hard. I'm gonna go for 1. So you get the map, which just leads you to something good. But I'm gonna use the instructions this time, which is from London that Falstad.com, which let's just show the entire maze solution, which actually helps me out, which is actually good. And there's a bunch of solutions you can try to go. So I think we're gonna have a good time with this one. Oh, sorry. I think I had the hiccups or something. I think I had a hiccup. You know, a lot about solutions about me having hiccups is that I could get water sometime. But a bottle helped me water helped me every time when getting those hiccups. Yeah, but I think we're going good for this one, but well, I did it. Now, I'm gonna go try and get another round, but if you excuse me for 1 second, I gotta go get some water. I'll be right back in just a second. Stay tuned. We're back. Continuing on. Alright. Making some rounds could be good. I got a water bottle just in case. Getting water is actually great for your health. Anyway, let's go to number 2 next. This one's very a medium one. Let's see if I can reach this one. This will be very good. Now, I've been getting the hiccups since I was born in 2002. Yeah, being a hiccup guy is like one of those things you don't see every day. You know, sometimes when getting hiccups, most likely you should always keep yourself getting shape by drinking some water. That way you'll be healthy as good. Well, most likely healthy. But this will be good. But as I'm solving the maze with the actual cheating skills, y'all think you can cheat, right? Alright. We're almost there. We're halfway there. Onto the course. And finally, the last but not least, soup. Oh, that was good. Up next is 3, which is a bit of hard one. So, CMS. Easy to solve this one. But a crime case, you guys. This is like a long time for just seeing. And, bunch of stuff you get there. But, we'll get to the patiently there, but it's actually good enough. This one's very easy and very medium, so a little bit of hard for this one, but very good for this one. Hey, it's Millennium Mania. Get over with it. Oh wait, there we go. 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 As I can make this one, this will be very good timing to say, share support for someone who is in need. Alright, there's more. Alright, we did it. Now, number 4. Oh boy, here we go. It's very good, easy to solve, but it's very good, easy to have fun when you're playing this as a kid. Hey, at least it's worth it, billions. Now, if you want to check out other Millennium Mania things I have done for the past season, you can go check it out. Check it out on my channel. I did them last year. So yeah, this will be a lot of fun and good things to do. But if you reach the pink grounds, yes, the pink one shall be the perfect one of my own. And all right, last one. This will be very good. Guess this is a short episode for today, and we're gonna have some fun. Number 5. Oh, come on. I think you could do this. 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 I think you could do this, Jeltus. Come on, 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 come on. This will be great. space, and then we could do this. No, that's not the direction. That's not the direction. But it's a very good solution to do when you're having fun. Twicely goodly. Well, since we're getting halfway there. Maybe I should just tell you what is going on right now and what's happening. So, yeah. I'm going to keep drinking my water bottle until my hiccups are fully gone. So I know they're already gone. Which is happy for me because speed. It's a pretty good nutrition. Anyway, just gotta do the last piece. Oops, wrong track. Alright. Oh, no, that's the end. No. Yeah! Alright. I think we did it. Now, number 6 is not actually good with this one. So, I'm gonna let someone else to do this. So, let's see what AI can do this one. That's pretty easy one. Well, that's all I need to reasons there to say, but well, I think it's time to put my hat off and say thank you for watching today's Millennium Mania. And I hope you guys have a good rest of the Sunday, and I hope you enjoy your spending another week of amazingness during your summer. And as always, I'm Jeltus. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday for another exciting Millennium Mania. The end.